So Play.ai just came out with their own AI dialer, and it's cheaper than all of them. So let's get into it. So first thing you're going to want to do is go to playht.com, click over here, create agent, and it's going to send you to Play.ai. This is their AI dialer platform. So you're able to talk with the agent right here, just very quickly like this, and then click allow. Hello.
Hey, I'm Judy, the voice of Play. Who am I speaking with?
And then you're able to end the conversation just like that. The best part of Play.ai is you're able to clone your own voice, meaning that no one will know that it sounds like an AI voice because it sounds more human, because it's your own voice and because it's another voice that people haven't heard of. You're able to share Play.ai just like this to other people, and it's made for businesses and developers. So yeah, let's get into it. So first thing that you're going to need to do is create an agent just like that. I'm just going to go to the app. This is where it's going to send you to the app. What you're going to want to do is create an agent. This is the first thing that you're going to need to do. Before you create your agent, you're going to have to create some actions that you want your agent performing. So like if you want it booking appointments, you're going to want to connect it to your Google Calendar just by clicking this, and then clicking on your email that you want to use, and then click advanced, go to Play.ai, and then click continue, and then boom, it got connected. And then it's asking me what calendar we want to use. So before we choose the calendar, we're going to have to create a calendar. So we're just going to go to Google Calendar. So now we're in Google Calendar. All you have to do is click create new calendar, name the calendar. We're going to name it after my company, Sympana, create calendar. And it's that simple. So the calendar is created. It was added right here. So that's how you create your calendar. And then we're able to go back to Play.ai. And then it's going to show Sympana right here. And then you click Sympana. And now it's able to book directly in the calendar. Event title is going to be Sympana appointment. And then it just has that reserved over here. You're able to add attendees if there's multiple people, but we're not going to do that. And then you're able to create meeting notes. So right before the meeting, you're able to read over notes that the AI was talking to the person about on the call. But we're not going to do that. And then the action description is going to be looking for Sympana. And then that's basically it. You're able to change the duration to 60 minutes, 30 minutes, whatever time you want. 60 minutes is the most, but 30 minutes, that's what we're just going to do. And then we're just going to create the action. We forgot to create some meeting notes. So the meeting note is going to be meeting was booked by Play.ai. And then create action. And then that's basically how you create a quick action with Google. If you want to create other actions, you're able to connect this to a CRM, you're able to connect this to make.com, you're able to connect it to Zapier, you're able to create calls from your CRM, and then you're able to get those calls. Whenever a certain word is said, it can book the appointment on your CRM calendar. But for the sake of this video, we are just going to use Google Calendar for that. But going back, now you're able to create your agent. The agent's name is going to be Sympana. You're able to choose your voices over here. These are all the voices you're able to choose. You're able to test the voices over here, see how they sound.
Hey, how's it going? I appreciate you clicking on my voice. So, you wanted to chat? Hello. Thanks for clicking my voice.
Here's an Australian accent.
Hey, how's it going, mate?
Here's a Canadian accent.
Hey, thank you for calling Sunshine Apartments.
And as you're able to see, different accents sound more AI-ish. So that's why choosing the correct voice is very, very important. So you're able to choose any of these voices. We're just going to go with the first one. If you want to use another one, all you have to do is click use voice, but we're not going to do that because I really like the first one. We're just going to go back, and then you're able to create an avatar for your voice. We're just going to upload my company logo. So we just uploaded my company's logo. Now if you want to, you're able to create your own voice just by creating a clone. This is very simple. All you have to do is get some recordings of your voice. What we're going to do is just get a recording of my voice from YouTube, which is very simple. All we have to do is go to YouTube, go to my channel, click one of the videos. We're just going to click this video, and then we're just going to share the link, copy the link, and then we're going to go download the MP3 version of the link. So we're just going to look up YouTube to MP3, and then we're just going to paste the link over here. And then you're able to download it just like that. So now that it's downloaded right here, we're just going to go back to Play.ai. And then we're going to upload our voice just by clicking upload audio sample. So we just uploaded the voice right here. And then all you have to confirm is that this is your voice or you have consent to use this voice. And then create clone. And then boom, now we have our own voice that we're able to use. I understand that a lot of people don't have that many minutes of their own voice. So you're able to just record your voice right here. Just click record. and then you're able to just start recording and then create your own voice. And it just gives you a count on how long you have to talk for, reading the script down here, and then you're able to create your voice just like that. But if you upload a longer recording, of course, it will make a better voice. Then down here for privacy, you're able to choose what type of privacy option you want to choose. Public, unlisted, or private. We're going to go with private. And that's the first part of creating the agent. So all you have to do is click next, create an agent greeting. So if this is for outbound, you're going to say, "Hi, this is Sarah from blah, blah, blah company. How can I help you?" So that's the greeting that we're going to go with. And then you're able to choose the behavior, professional, character use case, configured to assume and impersonate an identity, super chatty for casual laid back conversations like you are talking to a friend. We're just going to go with a professional use case because we're going to create this agent for inbound calling. We're just going to click next. So over here, this is the agent prompt that you're able to upload. And then this is the agent knowledge that you're able to upload or just add over here. So what we're going to do is just go to ChatGPT, copy this instruction over here. I'll go to ChatGPT, go to my AI that I created, create me a prompt for an AI that will act like a med spa front desk employee, helping people book calls. And then we're just going to send that to ChatGPT, and then it's going to create all of this. And then while it's writing, we're going to name the agent Sarah. So we're just going to say the agent's name is Sarah. So we just added BTW, the agent's name is Sarah. And now it's writing it. So, okay, this is the instructions. We're just going to copy all of these instructions. Of course, they're not perfect, but we're just going to use them for now. And then over here, the knowledge base, we're just going to go back and say, create me a knowledge base. And because this is for a med spa, we're just going to look up a med spa and then just upload their website here. So here's a med spa we found. We're just going to go copy this website and then upload the website right here. And then it's going to create it according to that website. As you're able to see, it goes to that website and then it creates the knowledge base. And then basically we go here, copy this, go back over here, upload that. We're just going to take out the number because our number is different. Email is perfectly fine. What times they're open at, that's perfectly fine. And then current date and time is specific time zone. And then caller information, add knowledge about the user's phone number and email. So the caller information is basically if they call back, we already know who they are, and then the AI is already able to talk like it already knows them. And then you're able to add guardrails just by clicking this. So it's only allowed to provide answers from the knowledge base that it has. It will not provide extra answers. Only if it's in the knowledge base, it will provide answers. So if you want to give it those guardrails, make sure you have every single thing an agent will need. So by just adding more files from your business that you have, it'll be able to cover more topics like that. Click next. We're not going to go with the guardrails, but you're able to. Booking for Sympana, that's the action. So what we're going to have to do is just upgrade our account. So we're just going to go here, and then we're going to get this plan. We're just going to buy it really quick. So now we just bought the number. As you're able to see, we get $400 of free minutes, and then it will cost 5 cents extra per minute. You're able to create a voice clone, create private agents, have API access, get phone numbers, and then it's able to be used for commercial use. So we're just going to go back, let it update. So now once we paid for Play, which was $1, we're able to add the phone number just over here. We're just going to look up a phone. We just looked up 326 and it found a phone number. We're just going to use this. And then we're going to create our agent. And boom, that's it. So that's our agent. For some reason, it didn't add the logo. But now we're just able to talk with the agent just by talking with it just like this, or by calling it with the number we have, or by sending a call to us just by putting in our phone number and then it'll call us. So that's basically how you create a Play.ai agent. You're able to create multiple agents over here. As you're able to see, this is how many minutes I have left, and then it'll start charging me 5 cents on the minute more. And then, yeah, so basically we're going to talk with our agent so you're able to see how my clone voice sounds.
Hey, this is Sarah from Mediasp. How can I help you today?
So it sounds very AI-ish because I didn't upload enough minutes. So that's why you would want to add more minutes. So I can upload up to 2 hours of recording and it will sound more and more human. just by giving it more data, which it will need. So that's what I would recommend you doing. If you want to create a clone voice, just upload more data. If you don't like your clone voice, what you're able to do is just go back to edit agent and then switch the voice back to a normal agent just like that. And then click done, and then boom, now this is another agent that sounds way different. If you forgot to add your logo, you're able to just go here and then add your logo just like that. Boom, and then click done. And then this is how our agent looks like with our logo. And then you're able to share this agent with anyone that you feel like, or if you want to keep it more private, you're able to keep it private to yourself. So yeah, that's basically how you create an agent. So now if we go to upgrade plan, as you're able to see, this is my plan already. You're able to upgrade to a higher plan. It's $99 a month. You get 2,000 minutes included. You're able to call with 20 agents at a time concurrently, and then it'll cost 5 cents a minute extra after you use your 2,000 minutes, and then you get access to batch calling. The growth plan is really expensive, $500 a month. It gives you 10,000 minutes included. Again, 5 cents per extra minute. So as I was reading, Play.ai charges per second. So once it hits a minute, then it will charge you that 5 cents, or it will just take a minute away over here, as you're able to see. So that's how you create an agent. If it says something that you don't want it saying, you're able to go back to my agents over here, view agent, and then you're able to edit the agent and see why it's saying those stuff, and then you're able to fix your script. If you're still not able to make your script very good, go to Fiverr and then hire a prompt engineer to make the script sound better, and then it'll flow way better. Over here in conversations, it's just a recording of all of your calls, how it went, what date it was on, how long the call was, and yeah, that's basically it for conversations. Over here for business use, you're able to immediately get access to these agents, hotel concierge, healthcare practice. All of these you're able to get access to just by clicking use this template, which is very, very nice. It makes it very, very easy for you to be able to create an agent just like that. And then if you're a developer, you're able to go to the API documentation, go to API references, go to create agent, and then you're able to immediately send calls from Go High Level or from whatever CRM you want to use from there to Play.ai to place a call and call all of your leads. I'm not quite sure on how to connect it to your calendar yet in Go High Level, but it is a possibility that you're able to use. At the moment, Google Calendar is the easiest to use for scheduling calls. Then as you're able to see over here, you're able to revoke your secret key. So people that already have seen my key can't use it, so we're just going to revoke it. And then boom, I can create a new security key, and then I can create a new API key so I can use connecting it to other apps. This platform is very, very simple, and you're able to call all of your leads just with Play.ai and a simple Go High Level connection on the developer side. If you want to create more in-depth actions, so let's say a lead says, hey, can you send me a link to this product? You're able to name the action and then create what it will send and why it will send it. But yeah, the simplest action to create is a Google Calendar action. That's basically it. If you want me implementing AI into your business, like AI cold callers like Play.ai, feel free to book a call with me at Sympana.com or by clicking the link in the description. If you need any other help with Play.ai or any other AI, feel free to join my Discord server, link in the description too.